Hi guys, today I'm gonna to show you how to use the get content text from a web page. So to do this, you will need two things. First, the column with a web page you want to get the content, and also the recap. If you don't have the recap yet, go to Google Workspace Marketplace and then search for Derrick and select Derrick and install. When you finish to install Derrick, go back to your Google Sheet, go to Extension, LinkedIn email, Phone Finder, and yeah, Derrick, open sidebar, click on it, then you will see this sidebar. So now you have Derrick and you have your column. The only thing you have to do is to select the good feature on Derrick. So we will try to tap text. And as you can see, we have a get website text from website URL here. It works with website URL or with any URL you have. It doesn't work well for full JavaScript page, but for most of the case, it's not you will not have any problem on this. Then you will select the good column, so it's not first name, it's not company name, it's a company website link on URL. So as you can see, we have we detect the three column. We will select the company website LinkedIn. Okay, it will calculate how many lines we have in the document. We have 26 lines in this document. In fact, we have more than 26 lines, but only 26 that are not empty. And then we will have only to click on this button. If we are not sure on the data we will get, you can go to preview first 5 lines. So just click on it and it will just test for the first 5 lines, so this one. So as you can see, they start to add some columns. So first it's the page title, so it's the title page in the head. The page description, the page headings, the page text, the page length, and the status of the crawler. So for ENWWC, we have the page title, the description, headings, and text inside, and the site, the number of characters into the page. It can help if you, for example, if you do a SEO analysis, and that's all. So we finished. So as you can see, Derrick starts with only the first 5 lines, and it didn't do this one because we don't have any company website URL inside. Okay, that's all. Hope you will like this feature. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and see you soon. Bye.